Ever since 1.12, you needed a compatible actor to handle your animated characters inside of Lumberyard to go along with the new EmotionFX editor. And every so often, you're going to import characters that have a mesh or a static mesh or whatever the case, a skeletal mesh rather, and they're not going to have an actor to allow you to use the EmotionFX editor. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to add that actor if it's not there to allow you to use the EmotionFX to add your animations and get your character moving and looking alive. So if we go and take a look at our Riley character, you can see that we have an EmotionFX motion, which is a default, basically an empty animation file. We want to go is right click, edit settings, and it's going to do some background processing. I'll cut the video with a nice transition and we'll be back. All right, we're back. And minor correction, that wasn't a default empty motion file. That's actually the motion file that holds our morph targets. So my apologies. Which as you can see here, and if I was to delete that, then it would delete all of our motion, which holds our morph targets. So disregard that. But as you can see here on the actors, we want to click on that and we want to add another actor, which in this case, we want to add an actor because we don't have one. And this is what's going to give us the ability to use the EmotionFX editor to do our animations through the animation graph and use all those cool tools for animation. Let's go ahead and click on that. As you can see here, there might be times where you might need to update materials, because if you were to set up the material for the character and it did not update, you want to come back here and click on that button. I'm gonna leave it unchecked for now, but if you have that issue, that's where you would find the solution. And we want to go ahead and hit update, and that's going to process. And when that's done, I'm going to hit you with another transition and we'll be right back. All right, we're back, and as you can see, we now have our actor all set up. So we can now exit out of that window, go over to our hero player, which is empty. And if we go down to our actor component and do a search, we can see now that our Riley EmotionFX actor shows up. We hit OK, we now have our character. The materials are kind of wonky, but that is something that I'm going to take care of in another video. I'm going to show you guys how to do that and funnel your material process through something like Substance Painter that has an actual export for Lumberyard, and then we'll get that set up inside of the engine. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know below in the comments. If you have any questions or suggestions or tutorial requests, let me know. You can also make those same comments and requests on our Discord channel, which you can see here, and then we'll also have a link for it in the description below. If you guys want to join the community, show off your projects, talk about Lumberyard, Unreal Engine, Unity, I've used all three. Or if you just want to join another community here on YouTube that fosters development and, you know, the love for games. Other than that, hope you guys are having a very dope day. Hope you guys are prospering in your projects and making progress. And until next time, keep developing.